Hello, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 2 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to customize this lower button right here. Let's start by pressing the upper button to wake up the screen, and now let's press it again to open the menu. Here, scroll down and tap on Settings, and now let's scroll down and select down button right here. And in this menu we can select which app is gonna be opened by pressing the lower button. For example, let's select Settings, and now let's go back to the watch face and press the lower button, and as you can see it opens Settings. Let's tap on it again and select something else, for example Sleep. Did I select Sleep? I believe so, but let's do it again. Sleep, and then go back to watch face and press the lower button, and as you can see it opened the Sleep application. And that's how you customize this button. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.